As the witness of the history of China's pump industry and the development vanguard of China's pump industry, CNP was established in 1991 and it was listed in the growth enterprise market in 2010. With a successful IPO, in 2012 its annual output of all kinds of pumps reached more than 500,000 sets. With a total production value of over RMB 1 billion, in which the profit was more than 150 million. The company is the pump maker with the highest per capita production value and interest. Water moisturizes life, while pumps bring enthusiasm, which is our mission. And given the guidelines of the core values that honesty and win-win partnerships enable us to go beyond ourselves, the CNP employees spare no efforts to become the green expert of water dynamics. In 2011, in Changsha, China's traditional manufacture base for pumps, CNP Changsha was founded. This company owns a lot of excellent technical and managerial talents, and it is focusing on the research and development of large industry pumps. The management principle of CNP Changsha is to compete with fair play and to innovate with infinite creativity. Through undying effort, the company has developed all kinds of pump products with unique technical advantages and independent intellectual property rights. These include the single-stage double-suction split-case pumps, NSC, multi-stage heavy-duty axially split case centrifugal pumps, NDS, the vertical turbine pumps, VTP, mixed flow pumps, segmental multi-stage centrifugal pumps, and all kinds of fire service pumps, as well as the desalination pumps, and the API 610 petrochemical engineering pumps, etc. The hydraulic models of these pumps were world-class advanced models jointly developed by CNP and Huazhong University of Science and Technology with the latest CFD technology. At CNP, all the designs of products are designed with 3D technologies, with all the strength designs of the parts designed via the finite element method. Computer-aided virtual design approach is a guarantee for the success of product designs once and for all. To translate these amazing designs into real excellent products, the company has poured large amounts of investments to build metal foundries in both Zhejiang and Hunan, where castings of different materials are produced. For 2 decades, CNP has kept strict standards on the external books of its products, as if the company is making artifacts by which the company has gained rich experience for manufacturing. To change the rough looks of the traditional made-in-China pumps, the new company has reformed the manufacturing technologies. All the castings are produced with metal molds and resin mortar, while the impellers are forged with precision casting technology. All the molds are processed at the processing center with 3D technologies, and the company is the first pump maker that introduced the barcode technology for the tracing and quality of control of part processing. Strict production technologies guarantee that each pump product made by CNP is the latest energy-efficient product. These products are not only the most advanced products in China, and some of them are also the best in the world. The low abrasion pump designed and developed by our company with the patent technology of low abrasion is a revolutionary brand new product. When pumping all kinds of abrasive materials, the duration life of pumps has been greatly extended. Quality proves our growth. The CNP is bounded with great cohesion from its employees. The company creates value for clients with its quality products. The products are not only beautiful in looks, but also excellent in efficiency, energy saving, and reliability. The products have widely gained recognitions from not only domestic users, but also adopted by NASA and prominent companies across the world. They are exported to dozens of countries and regions including North America and Europe. CNP.